Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English with Max and Mia, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Mia.
Hello, Mia. Hello, everyone. It is wonderful to be here today.
It is. How are you, Max?
I am good, thank you. So I am awake.
Awake. That is a good start.
Yes, I had my coffee, so I am ready. How are you, Mia?
I am great. I am very happy today. I had a good morning.
Oh, that's nice. A good morning is very important.
It is, and that is our topic today. We are going to talk about our daily life, our routines.
Daily routines. Yes, this is a topic everyone has. We all have a day.
Yes, we do. We all have things we do every day, morning, afternoon, and night.
It sounds very interesting.
Sometimes people think routine is a boring word.
Maybe, but I think our routines can be very different and very interesting.
I agree, and it is perfect for English practice. We use simple words to talk about our day.
Exactly. But first, before we talk about our day, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you are listening and you like our podcast, please click the like button. A big thumbs up.
Yes, please do. And if you are new, welcome. Please subscribe to Easy English with Max and Mia.
It helps us so much. And please share this podcast with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you. We love our listeners. Okay, Mia.
Yes, Max.
Daily life. Let's start at the beginning. The morning.
Oh no, the morning.
You do not like the morning?
Max, I am not a morning person. Not at all.
Oh, really? I am a morning person. I love the morning.
Wow. For me, the morning is difficult. The alarm clock.
The alarm clock, yes.
I do not like that sound. Beep, beep, beep.
My alarm is music, soft music.
That is smart. My alarm is just loud. I wake up and I think, oh no, already.
And do you get up?
No.
I press the snooze button.
The snooze button?
Yes, 5 more minutes.
But is it 5 minutes?
Maybe sometimes 5 minutes, then 5 more minutes.
Oh, Max, so when do you really get out of bed?
When I must. When it is very late, I jump out of bed. I'm late.
Oh, that is very funny. My morning is very different.
Tell me.
I wake up early before the sun.
Wow, why?
I love the quiet. The house is very quiet. No cars, no noise. It is just me.
And what do you do?
The first thing, the most important thing, is coffee.
Yes, coffee. Me too. I run from the bed to the coffee machine.
How do you like your coffee, Max?
I like it strong and black. No milk, no sugar, just coffee.
Yes, I like my coffee with a little hot milk. It is very warm and nice.
That sounds good. I drink my coffee and I look at my phone.
Oh no, not the phone.
Yes, I look at the news, emails.
See, I don't look at my phone. I sit by the window with my coffee. I just think.
That is very calm. Maybe I should try that. It's very nice. Okay, so we have coffee. What about breakfast?
Breakfast is very fast for me because I am late.
Yes.
I eat toast. Just toast with butter or maybe a banana. Very easy.
That is very fast. I like to eat a good breakfast. I eat yogurt with fruit, or sometimes I make eggs.
Eggs? Wow, Mia, you have a lot of time.
I wake up early.
That's true. Okay, so after breakfast, we get ready for the day.
Yes, I take a shower. I like a very hot shower.
Me too. A hot shower is good for waking up.
And then the difficult part.
What?
Choosing clothes.
Oh, yes.
I look in my closet. I have many clothes. Shirts, pants, dresses, and I always think,
What?
I have nothing to wear.
Yes, I know that feeling.
It is so silly.
I have so many clothes.
My system is very easy.
What is your system, Mia?
I only have blue shirts.
No, really.
Yes, blue shirts, white shirts, gray shirts. Very simple. I grab one, done.
Mia, that is very smart.
It is easy. No thinking. Thinking is for later.
Okay, so you have your blue shirt. I finally find a dress, and then,
Work. Yes, time to go to work.
how do you go to work? Do you drive?
No, I take the bus.
The bus, is it good?
It is okay. It is very crowded. Many people.
I don't like crowded places.
Me too. But I can listen to music. I put in my headphones and I listen to music or a podcast.
Oh, a podcast.
Good podcast.
Yes, sometimes I listen to Easy English with Max and Mia.
Good choice.
What about you, Mia?
I drive my car.
Ah, your car. That is nice.
It is nice, but the traffic is not nice.
Oh, yes, the traffic. Many cars.
So many cars, all going very slow. Stop, go, stop, go.
Oh, that is boring.
It is. I listen to music too. Loud music.
Okay, so we are at work.
Yes. What is your workday like, Max? Is it busy?
Yes, it is always busy. The first thing I do is more coffee.
Of course.
I go to my desk, I turn on my computer, and oh, so many emails.
Ah, the emails. I know.
I read emails, I write emails, then I have meetings.
Yes, meetings. Talking.
My day is similar. I talk to people, I help people. I like my job, but yes, many emails.
What about lunch? This is my favorite part of the workday.
Me too, food.
Do you bring your lunch from home or do you buy lunch?
I usually bring my lunch.
That is very good. Very organized.
Yes, I make a salad or a sandwich at home in the morning.
Wow, Max, you make eggs and a sandwich?
It is easy and it is cheap. Buying lunch every day is expensive.
That is true, but I am not organized.
So you buy lunch.
Yes, I go to a small cafe near my office. I buy a sandwich.
Is it good?
It is very good. And I like to walk for 10 minutes.
Yes, that is important. And in the afternoon, I get very sleepy.
Oh, yes. Around 3 p.m.?
Yes, exactly.
Do you drink more coffee? Green tea is good. I eat a small snack.
An apple, very healthy.
I eat a cookie.
A cookie is good too. Okay, so 5 p.m. Work is finished.
Yes, the best time.
I go home on the bus again. I am very tired.
I go home in my car. The traffic is bad again.
But I am happy because I am going home.
Yes, home is the best.
What is the first thing you do when you open the door?
Good question. I put down my keys, my bag, and I say hello to my dog.
You have a dog?
Yes, his name is Max. He is very happy to see me.
That is so nice.
What about you?
I open the door and I say hello to my cat.
Her name is Bella.
Is Bella happy?
She is a cat.
So, after that?
I change my clothes, very important.
Yes, comfortable clothes.
Then dinner.
I cook simple food. Or I order.
I like cooking.
I am a bad cook. I burn things.
Oh no.
Yes, so I eat pasta, eggs, or pizza.
Pizza is always good.
After dinner,
I clean and sit on the sofa.
I read or walk.
Nice.
Then sleep.
I go to bed early.
I go late.
That is why you are tired.
Yes. So that is our day.
Yes, from morning to night.
Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to Easy English with Max and Mia.
And tell us.
Are you a morning person or a night person?
Write in the comments.
See you next time.
Bye.